Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Begin with clean, damp hair and apply 1 pump of setting lotion evenly. Comb through to remove tangles and add light leave-in conditioner. Use a tail comb to divide hair into 12 even sections for medium-length hair. Clip larger sections for loose waves and smaller sections for tight curls. Choose 1-inch clip-on rollers for medium waves or 3/4-inch rollers for tighter curls. Lay each section smooth and prepare clips so you can roll without pinching the hair. Take 1 section and comb it straight before wrapping around the roller toward the scalp. Wrap hair firmly around the roller without twisting to avoid creases and hold tension. Secure each roller with its clip so the roller sits flat against the scalp and does not slip. Keep the ends of hair smooth inside the roller to prevent frizz and uneven curls. Roll all sections consistently away from the face for a uniform pattern and balanced volume across the head. Allow rollers to set until fully dry. Air dry for 30 to 60 minutes depending on thickness. Alternatively, sit under a hood dryer for 15 minutes on medium heat to speed the process. Remove clips gently from the bottom and unroll each roller toward the ends to prevent frizz and preserve the curl shape. Use fingers to separate curls and shape volume. Avoid combs for a natural look. Finish with 2 to 3 light sprays of hairspray to lock style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.